A vehicle of mass 200 kg is moving along a leveled curved road. Level road means what? Tell me now. No banking, horizontal. With a radius is given as the 70 meters with angular velocity given omega. Now they ask him to find what? Tell me now. Centripetal force acting on the vehicle. How much the centripetal force now? What is centripetal force formula? Centripetal force Fc, which is equal to what? Tell me now. mv square by r. That is also equal to what? Tell me now. mr omega square. Now see the terms what they given now. Mass given na? Mass given. So we can substitute the terms now here. Mass is how much you tell me now here. So this is 200 kg. And where radius is given, how much you tell me now? 70. And then omega, they given angular velocity given now how much this value? That is 0.2 whole square. So now let's find out now here. This is Fc now here. And which is equal to 200 into 70 into what I can say now. This is 4 into 10 power minus 2. So 10 power minus 2 and these two zeros will get cancelled. So tell me how much will get this Fc value. So 7/4. 28 into 2 na 56. So that is how much this value? 560 newtons.